You know poverty is a mindset, right? And if you don't attack it the right way, man, you will end up giving in to it. You gotta stand up and fight for your life and what you believe in. Man, I grew up with holes in my shoes, walking to school every day, and surely didn't have food to eat. And if I can make it with the odds against me, look, you can do the same. I made a promise to myself, and listen, you gotta do the same, to never go back to being poor. Poor in mind, poor in finances, poor in family, poor in your confidence. You gotta know who you are and know you are greatness. There's nothing you can't do. Anything is possible. Not one person connected to you will ever lack for anything. You gotta put that in the atmosphere with the plan, your faith, and your perseverance. And man, look, you'll be successful, my friend. That's a promise. Yo, it's your main man, EVapors. We back with another vlog, man. Let's get straight to it. All right, so we're at week 8 that the BMW i8 is still in the shop, man. I'm just gonna get straight to it, man. I got my little list just to get everybody caught up. Subscribe to the channel, man, if you're new here and all that good stuff, man. We still in the loaner car, man. The 2 Series, and it's funny. I'm just leaving my house, man. I just pulled over. Well, I didn't pull over. I'm at the stoplight, stop sign, and literally nobody had come the whole time I've been sitting there. As soon as I start recording, right, you get it. So I'm gonna go down here and pull over down here. All right, so I got my list, man, of everything that's going on with the i8, man. So if y'all remember, we initially started with the e-brake malfunction, and that was, we got the car towed in. Y'all seen the video for that, man. That was like $800 by itself. Then of course they said that, you know, the check engine light was on. It wasn't. Y'all seen the video. There was no check engine light on when I drove up the flatbed of the tow truck. So anyway, that was like $3,100, you know, for the SME unit. Then of course, a couple weeks go by, and you know, they say, you know, it's not working. They need to replace the wiring harness. Not sure how much that was, but that might have been about like $1,000 or so. Another week go by, and I'm kind of like reaching out to them because I'm not hearing from them. Like, hey man, what's going on? Politely, of course, man. I got all my texts to show that. Always polite conversation, but definitely was like, hey, I need to know what's going on, man. It's you know, we're at 8 weeks. So now they're saying that they had to replace the cell battery monitoring circuit. The cell battery monitoring circuit. And that was going to take the bill. Again, the bill started out at $800 with just the e-brake. It got up to $500. So it was saying now it's going to be $7,200. You know, so when I talked to my guy, he already talked to somebody, and you know, they're gonna do with parts, labor, and everything. And I think partly because it's been so long. Like this is unacceptable, really. Like Monday will be 9 weeks. So why are we talking about new parts now at 9 weeks? And I know this is the week 8 video, but I really just wasn't in the mood to record anything just based on what was going on, man. I just really wasn't in it. I'm a positive vibe type dude, man, but I really wasn't feeling too positive, so I had to just hit the reset button, man, sit on my back porch, man, thank God for my blessings, and just come back today, which, you know, I'm in a better mood, you know, to record, man, and to show y'all love, man, because I've been seeing y'all in the comments, man. We've been communicating, and it's just been nothing but love, man. But the cell battery monitoring circuit, so we're gonna close it out at $5,480, and you know, that's with, you know, with some discounts thrown in there. And again, my guy Ben over at Valley BMW been nothing but cool and calm the whole time, and I know he's doing everything that he can do. I mean, he's not working on the car, you know. He's the face that I see, or actually the person that I talk to, you know, via the text service that they have, and he's just gonna tell me what the technician is saying. So but yeah, Valley BMW, man, appreciate y'all. You know, we're gonna get it done. And I know that that particular tech probably had never done any of this stuff before. I don't know how many techs around the world have done all these different things, or even if I personally feel like he got in a jam, you know, because if we just did the e-brake, because initially I asked, does it have to be replaced? Is the car drivable? They said, yeah, but it's gonna, you know, eventually, you know, need to be replaced. So I was like, okay, well, let's go ahead and replace it. the SME, that is. And who knew we would be here? If I knew, obviously, if I knew then what I know now, I'd have been like, nah. You know, I would have been like, let me call over to Raleigh and see, maybe, have you guys replaced the SME module before? You know what I'm saying? I would have did more due diligence, man, but again, you can't see the future. You can't see where the tech might have got into a little jam at, and the answer is replace, not repair. You know, especially when you start dealing with a lot of these, you know, circuits and different things. I think once you try to program it, you know, it can be done if it ain't working. So I think that's where we at right now, man, with the i8, man. So yeah, so week 9 begins on Monday. So hopefully I should be getting a call from Ben at Valley BMW in Fayetteville, North Carolina, man, saying, hey, man, the part came in, they're working on your car. Just to keep me updated on what's going on. You know, I don't like being in the dark. I just like to know what's going on with my car. Now, I'm asking you guys this, anybody that's watching, is 9 weeks a long time for your car, whatever car that is, to be gone? I'm not even talking about a dollar amount. I'm just talking about 9 weeks. And at week 7, you figuring out a new plan. At week 8, you know, here's another thing to buy. Why didn't we know all these things at week 1? Week 2, 4, week 5, 6, week 7, 8. Now we're going to 9, and here we are. So as a customer, I'm cool, calm. But at what point, as a customer, is it like, yo, hey, customer, you really, man, yeah, whatever you want, whatever words you want to put in there, yeah, you should be mad. But I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I don't have any anger. You know, it's a delay. You know, so here we are, 8 weeks. That's 2 car notes. You know what I'm saying? That's 2 car notes. That's $794. Boom, $794. Boom, $100 in insurance. Boom, $100 insurance. Boom. So literally $900, $1,800. That's just kind of, I haven't had the enjoyment of my car, but you know, $1,800 still went out the door for the car. You know, so what do we do? What do we do? Not talking about being patient, but what do we do? You know, how am I gonna feel when I get in the i8? Y'all know I love the i8. And do I have the same feeling? Do I have the confidence? You know, like, man, is something gonna go wrong? Or do I have the confidence, like, man, the cell battery monitoring circuit, the wiring harness, the SME unit, the e-brake are all brand new, and they're all under warranty for 3 years? Is that confidence? Let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think, man. Let me know. But we're going to turn a couple corners, man. I got to go to Lowe's and pick up a few things, man. I'm going to Memphis, man. I'm going to Memphis, man, for the YouTubers call out, man. If you're in the Memphis area, man, you ain't got to be in the Memphis area. I think you should go. October 31st, the YouTubers call out, man. It's going to be the race between Don't Master and Demonology. Yeah, that right there. That junk tough, right? So with that being said, man, it's your man, EVapors. Y'all pray for your boy. Y'all know what we do around here. We swipe up.